to school in Philly.
I'm Eddie. I'm from Philly area, but I went to Temple, and now I'm a doctor. I'm a pathologist.
I feel like glass evolves as you play with it and as you work it, and that's very different than other mediums. And we've been able to choose the colors that we want and kind of create what we want, and the teachers guide us through it.
I wanted to do glass because it's kind of like, it's sort of related to what I do. Every day I go to work, I look it through a microscope, which is all optics, and we put tissue on glass slides, and that's how we make our diagnoses. But I wanted to also like work with glass and mold things instead of just looking at like a piece of glass. Now I get to like move it and shape it, and I have like a creative outlet instead of just looking at it on the science.
You don't get another chance like this to be in a really cool hot and cold shop, get a lot of hands-on guidance, and really make something in 6 weeks, more than a lot of, I think, intro classes. And they definitely tailor to your level and interest, which is really nice. So I'm having fun. Wish it could last longer.